Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I use argan oil for my hair. Argan oil is very similar to vitamin E oil. The only difference is it's a little better because argan oil not just has vitamin E in it, but has other vitamins that help support and strengthen your hair. If you already have medium to long hair and you want to maintain the length, argan oil is really good to use because it has so many vitamins in it. It promotes healthy hair growth, and for the hair that is already long, it's going to strengthen it and it's going to protect it. How I use it on my hair is I use these two products right here, and this one right here is just pure oil. So this is 100% pure natural argan oil, and then this one is a hair mask. So for this one I was a little bit skeptical because this is $25 on Amazon, and I was like, how good can it work? I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna try this out. So this one's really easy. You just shampoo and then you condition your hair with this. The consistency of this hair mask is really thick. Did I notice a difference after using it? Yes. First of all, it smells really good. The texture of it when you run it through your hair, you can automatically, even in the shower, feel like your hair is more softer. If you are pressed for time and you need to deep condition your hair, I really recommend trying this one out. It works really well and it quickly became one of my favorite deep conditioner masks. So the other way you can use it is just buying the bottle of pure argan oil and mixing it with a carrier oil. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. The base is coconut oil, but you can use any carrier oil. Go ahead and take the full dropper of it. You pretty much can add any type of essential oil you want to this. Apply this to my hair for 1 hour and then wash it out with shampoo and conditioner. Also with this one too, this is a mix-in oil for hair treatments, meaning you don't want to use the whole bottle on your hair, like a ton of it. You want to mix it with a carrier oil like coconut, olive oil, almond oil, something that can help mix it and dilute it a little bit. Just because even though this is a thinner consistency oil, it has vitamin E in it. Vitamin E is very thick and will stick to the hair. It's hard to wash out, and I feel like when you put too much of it in the hair, it just has like the reverse effect. You can add a few drops of this to your shampoo or your conditioner, and then the last thing you can do with this is that you can use a few drops after you style your hair. So I just like take a few drops, and then you can put it on the ends of your hair. And when you do put some of this in your hair after styling, it's almost like a leave-in conditioner. All I had to share with you guys about argan oil and how to use it in your hair. Again, I definitely recommend to check out this mask. It's from Amazon. I will link it down below. And if you don't want to invest in the hair mask yet, check out the argan oil bottles. They're a lot cheaper and you can mix up your own hair mask. Also, don't forget to subscribe, because I have a lot of other hair care videos which I will link down below. Yeah, with that being said, I hope you guys have a great day and I will see you in my next video. Bye.